Today I'll be making dahi ke kebab. For this, like I have taken a vessel. On top of it, I have taken a strainer. Now on top of this, I'm using a muslin cloth. Now in this cloth, we will be adding our curd. We'll add 1 kg of yogurt. So we'll put this in the refrigerator in the same way for overnight. Minimum is the 6 hours, so that the water drains off after keeping this overnight. You can see this is the hung curd, and I'll show you the water that has been drained off from the curd. So this is the water. You can use this water to make curries. I have taken the hung curd in a mixing bowl. To this I will be adding 1 small onion, very finely chopped. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger, small pieces. I'll also be adding green chillies, about 7 of them, finely chopped. I'll be adding coriander leaf, 1 tablespoon. You can add a pinch of kasuri methi. To this I'll be adding about half a teaspoon of salt. I'll also be adding 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder or Indian spice powder. Add half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add cornstarch generous, about 4 tablespoons starting with. If you feel that the binding is enough, then do not add cornstarch further. But it will take different amounts depending on how much you have hung the curd. So this will act as a binding agent when we are making the kebabs. Apart from this, we'll also be using breadcrumbs. In order to check the consistency, you need to take this kebab like this and hung it like this in the air. Now if it does not fall, then you can say that the consistency is right. Now we'll proceed with our preparation. Add 1 tablespoon of besan, roasted chickpea flour. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mix this well. Plate where I have put breadcrumbs. Now with the help of a spoon, we will add our dahi ke kebab on this. Now on top of it, we will coat with breadcrumbs as well. And now we'll proceed to fry this. We'll shallow fry this dahi ke kebab. So you can also deep fry. I'm taking a non-stick cooking pan and I'm heating the oil. Once the oil has been heated up, I will add these dahi ke kebab into them. So this is how you make the dahi ke kebab. Make dahi ke kebab one by one whenever you want to eat this. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment the recipes that I make. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.